what we have is our version of a smart helmet. And it has an intelligent lighting system, has a Bluetooth connectivity so you can be able to stream audio or control your phone, answer phone calls, those type of things. It has something in it that we call Intelligent DSP. And what it does is it actively cancels sounds that you do not want to hear, like road noise, or for motorcycles, it'll cancel out the muffler noise, things like that. We redesigned it a lot basically for the aerodynamic properties. That's why it has this sort of funky, weird shape to it. It's because we're really trying to reduce a lot of the drag, because unhappy air is noisy air. And basically what we're trying to do is make the inside of the helmet as quiet as possible for the sound system, of course, and so that the motorists can hear other things that are around them that are important. And so this came out of necessity for another product that we're bringing to market, which is a low-range electrical vehicle. But it's based on like a skateboarder type platform. And so all the lights and everything on it are very low to the ground. And so we designed this helmet as like a complementary product to go with it, but of course that expanded into a whole different type of thing, and now we added 2 cameras, one in the front, one in the rear, an SD card, just a whole host of different things that we're putting onto it to make it a unique product for that particular market segment. This is not going to be a $1,200 helmet. I want to keep this sub $500, and we're working hard to do that.